Hello and welcome. My name is Svetlana Fomina. I'm an artist and felt maker. By profession, I'm an architect and visual artist, but for the past 15 years, my creative life has been centered around felt. I discovered in this material something truly unique. No other medium allows such a seamless blend of fibers, resulting in textures that feel organic, alive, and expressive. One of my main directions has been painting with fibers, aiming to achieve the look of antique embroidery or tapestry. My second focus is three-dimensional textured objects, created by combining seemingly incompatible materials. Wool with synthetic fabrics, sequins, glass, stones, shells. But nothing is glued. Everything is integrated through wet felting. How? You'll see in this course. Today, I'm excited to present my sculptural felting course, Ammonite Lampshade. I'll share techniques you can apply not only to lamps but also to sculptural felt forms of all kinds. Why the ammonite? The creature we're portraying is imagined alive with tentacles. Biologically, it's not quite a nautilus and not exactly an ammonite. It's more like an Art Nouveau ammonite, a stylized symbolic form. You're welcome to modify the template, add spiral ridges, change the tentacles, and so on. This frill along the edge, for example, echoes the textured reliefs seen on some fossilized shells. This course is focused on materials, textures, and color. I'll also guide you through how to stiffen the finished piece. In most cases, no inner frame is needed. For lighting, I use a simple matte wall or ceiling sconce. You're free to experiment later with other light sources. The market now offers many cold LED options, including wireless or solar-powered ones. This lampshade is designed as a nightlight or glowing art object, not as a strong light source. If I were making a brighter lamp, I would use white wool, maybe with Wensleydale for its shine. But here I want color, something like a treasure cave glowing with gems. So how is the course structured? We begin with the materials. First, the basic ones, wool and viscose. Then move to decorative elements. This is where we open our little treasure chests. Don't be afraid. Even the humblest materials like synthetic yarn or glass beads can shine like precious gems when felted in properly. Wool and viscose will unify everything into a harmonious whole. There's a special part on how to prepare beads and other solid materials. That's my personal know-how. Then we move on to making and enlarging the template to account for shrinkage. Next comes the wool layout, starting with a white inner layer, then the outer color layer, and finally the viscose. I'll show you how to use gradient transitions in viscose for a soft, glowing effect. Then comes decoration, the most exciting step. Once everything is in place, we begin felting, followed by final decorative adjustments to bring out the shine of glass and stone. Then we'll treat the surface for durability and install the lighting. I hope this course brings you inspiration and joy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in my Facebook group.